Been working on a secret door. Yesterday I installed it, but I couldn't get it to shut. Now the door shuts, and I'm happy to make a video on how I fixed that problem. It's kind of technical and boring, but I can do that. But I have a new problem, and I'm hoping there's somebody out there who can help me fix it. I have done my best to be very precise. I've been using my level, and I've been using the square, and I built this wall. So I've been leveling, plumbing, squaring as I'm going along just to make everything straight. Because the last door I installed, it was a mess and it was really hard. So I was like, I'm gonna do this one right. I'm gonna install this door right. But clearly I did not do everything right. Because when the door is even to the wall here, it is not even at all there. When I put the level here, this is the wall's level. Or plumb, I actually don't know what's the right term. But the door is not. However, it is on this side. I know the actual bookcase is warped. I didn't use the highest quality wood. Maybe that's the problem. Because the wood wasn't perfectly square, I did my best to put it together and keep everything level and straight. I don't know how to fix this. If any of you guys have ideas or tips, that would be very greatly appreciated.